Amazing Creations has a great line of portable sewing machines. Today we're looking at their Easy Stitch mini handheld sewing machine. In the box is the machine, power cord, 5 bobbins with different color thread, 2 spindles, and 2 needles. To turn the power on, use the included USB power cord or insert 4 AA batteries in the battery compartment. On the top is the on-off button and 2 speed buttons. On the side is the tension control wheel, the thread guide, spindle holder, and rotary wheel for the needle. Make sure the machine is in the off position and unplugged. We will thread the needle by raising the needle arm to its highest point by turning the rotary wheel in either direction. Turn the unit now on its side and remove the bobbin pin if on. Also, remove the bobbin. Be sure the spring stays on though. Place a new bobbin on and replace the bobbin pin. Draw the thread from the spool through the thread guide and pull the thread through the tension control. Do not wrap the thread around the tension control. Instead, loosen it by turning the dial counterclockwise and tighten by turning clockwise. Now pass the thread down and into the needle eye from back to front only, with between 2 and 4 inches of thread beyond the needle eye. Lift the fastening plate and place the desired fabric underneath. Make sure you have at least 2 to 4 inches of thread through the needle from back to front prior to sewing. Hold the handle of the sewing machine with your right hand and operate the power switch with your thumb. Choose the speed you want. Fast is 2 dots or slow is 1 dot by pressing the respective buttons. Use your left hand to hold the cloth and control the direction. The machine will feed cloth to the left in proper tension automatically. Follow the center line on the cloth fastening plate to ensure straight stitching. To finish sewing, raise the needle to the highest position by turning the rotary wheel. Use a seam ripper or scissors to pull the thread out about 3 inches and cut it. Lift the fastening plate and take off the cloth to the left. Make sure not to pull the thread or the seam will unravel. Turn to the back side of the cloth, then guide the reserved 2 inches of thread into a knot by passing the thread through the last stitch. Put the thread into the threader and pull out about 1 inch. Guide the thread through the loop and pull it tight to finish the knot. Enjoy the ease of portable stitching with the Easy Stitch mini handheld sewing machine by Amazing Creations. Get yours today.